Okay, that's good. Lovely. Hello and a very warm welcome to you. My name is Jose and it is 4 o'clock in the UK and it is time for a bit of Google Ads. Well, not quite today. It's about video marketing. Every weekday, we go live at this time and go through topics such as Google Ads, digital marketing, video marketing, anything and everything to do with generating more leads or sales for your business. I cover a certain topic, and then towards the end of the session, I'll try my best to answer any questions you may have. Any problems you are experiencing, please put them in the comment box on the box around the video, and I'll try to answer them for you. If you are new here, warm welcome to you, and if you are a returning punter, then thank you again for being here and for your support. I can see Richard. Hi Richard from Scotland, and anyone who is online right now, please do put in whereabouts are you from. So today is a bit of a session away from the techie and the geeky stuff, all the jargons of Google Ads and stuff like that. Today is going to be it's all about video marketing. So we'll take it at a pace which is comfortable for everyone. It's very informal. It's nothing to do with setting up campaigns, etc. I'm going to give you an overall structure and the system as to how we go about creating video content and what you should be doing for your business as well. So let's get started on the presentation. Now, if you would like to learn more about Google Ads, digital marketing, etc., then we have the best coaching program in the world, we believe. It has got over 300 videos, 4 coaching calls with me every week. And you will learn pretty much every topic under the sun for things like Google Ads, video ads, tag manager, analytics, editor, display network. Any way you need to use and leverage the Google and the YouTube networks to push your name out there, you'll be able to take your expertise and the knowledge to the next level. And this is where you will find all the information over here. And there's a masterclass on there as well, which you can have a look, and it'll give you a flavor of the kind of coaching and training you are likely to receive. And then you hop on a discovery call with me and see if we are a good fit and a match for each other. And then hopefully we give you the offer to join the program. Okay, so that's enough of that. So today I'm going to show you what types of ads they are, what you need, the tools and the apps we use, and examples of some video ads. So you'll be able to see the ads which we create for our clients. So before we get started, why should you start with video? Video is the most economical, quickest, and the fastest way to reach your target audience. Since last year, the whole world has pretty much been in a lockdown. The only way out is through this channel. So either you go live or you upload video content. Video builds trust. It's as simple as that. When somebody sees my video, they see me as an expert in my field, and then they come to me for help, be it managing the accounts or teaching and training them with Google Ads or digital marketing. So what we do is we need to create high quality, engaging content, and that is the key for building up trust you've got to have really good quality content. If the content is not good, I'm afraid you will not get the following, you will not get the subscribers, you will not get the leads, and you will not get the customers. And obviously, YouTube being the second largest search engine in the world after Google, and Google owns YouTube. But now you can also put up videos on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Twitter, TikTok. There's so many channels out there. Traffic is not a problem anymore. You create the content and you're going to get the following, right? So you got to get started with video marketing. We started our live stream sessions since the lockdown started last March or just after March. And pretty much every weekday we have gone live, barring some issues with text or internet and all that stuff, which will happen from time to time. But we've done this regularly and religiously, and now we are seeing a huge spike in the number of views and followers and subscribers for our channel. Well, it's not only about followers and subscribers, it's actually gaining customers. And this is what we are getting, is we are getting real customers from my desk over here in my office. I'm not going out knocking on doors. I'm not going out cold calling. In fact, I haven't done that for 3 years since I started my video marketing journey. Everything is inbound, and when they come to you, they are warm or a hot lead. They are more likely to convert than someone who has not seen you or know of you. Here are some examples of my videos which are getting ranked on Google page 1 for that particular keyword. Now, to get ranked on Google page 1, it is pretty tough. There's immense competition. But look at this over here. I've got all 3 videos are mine. Out of 3, one is mine over here, and then we've got this feature snippet. And then over here as well, all 3 out of 3 are my videos. So you can see how much exposure I or we as a brand and a business are getting from here. So this is on Google. So my videos get ranked on YouTube as well as Google. And you want to come here. This is where the party is. And the good thing is your competitors aren't doing this. I can assure you that. I find very few companies doing this doing video marketing properly. Now, I am up against some big names like WordStream, HubSpot, Neil Patel, where even if I want to outrank them, I won't be able to. Not yet, because I'm fairly new compared to them. But where I can compete with them is on Google, is with my video links. This is how I get in front of people. You start putting up videos on YouTube, do all the things which needs to be done, you surely will pop up over here. And even if nobody is doing it, then if you've got multiple videos, you'll get ranked multiple times on Google. Okay, so let's start with the tools and the apps. We have a very simple, inexpensive system, but a pretty sophisticated one. Right now on our content marketing team, we have got 8 people. So we got one person for managing all our content in Google Drive, creating the Google Sheets, the job folders, the job numbers, and so on. So each video gets a job number, a unique job number, and then it starts from there. We create that in Google Sheet, which is a free app, Google Drive, which again you can use it for free, but then there's a limit of how much content you can put up. But the G Suite on the paid version is absolutely a must for any business. I think it's about $10 a month unlimited storage. So it's a no-brainer. So we use those for all our content planning and saving all our content, the videos and the files in the G Drive. You can use something like Dropbox as well, but we've chosen to go with Google. Then video shooting and editing, I'm going to come on to the shooting side of things. I'm going to come into that in a minute. But then we use Slack for all our internal comms between the team. Couple of video editing apps, InVideo and Biteable. They are very inexpensive. I think I got a deal for a year's subscription for about $60 or something like that, and this one was about $97 or something around that number. So they're not expensive, but what it will allow you to do is to be able to create videos on the fly without having to spend hours trying to video edit or trying to learn a new app. It's pretty much a drag and drop, drag the logo, put the text up, change the background or something like that, and export the file. And these allow you to export the videos in 3 sizes. So now we create 3 different sizes of the same video. Horizontal, which is the 16:9, 9:16, which is vertical, and the square size 1:1. The reason why we put up vertical is different platforms prefer vertical, like Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest. Instagram is square, obviously. And then we have different sizes of video. So we create a 20-second video, 60-second video. These are the 2 little shorts and the minis. Now these videos, the short ones, which are called on Instagram is called Reels. On LinkedIn, I believe it's called Stories, as well as on Facebook. So they've got different names, but they're all the same. Vertical format, less than 20 seconds, or some of the platforms have got 30 seconds. But what we do is we've got 20-second and a 60-second. So whichever video goes on whichever platform, we upload those. To create these videos, it's as simple as just using and shooting this with your smartphone. So even with the longer size videos, like 5-minute videos or 8-minute video, you can shoot it with your phone. But what we tend to do is we'll have these 20-second and a 60-second video. Then we have another one which is up to 8 to 10 minutes long, and these live streams are up to 30 minutes long. And quite often we will then chop and trim these live streams and make 8 to 10 minute videos or a 60-second video out of this content as well. So you want to repurpose these, right, as much as possible. Adobe Rush is a great app, really good. You can edit on your mobile if you want to. You shoot it from your mobile, edit on your mobile. Premiere is the professional version. You'll need to know a bit of video editing. So this is what our video editor uses. Asana we use for all our workflow as to what needs to be done when and by whom. Canva is again a free app, and you can get a paid version for around $10 per month. We use this for designing the cards and the images from Canva. So this pretty much all we have to create content. You don't need tons and tons of equipment. In fact, you can get away with Slack. You probably need Asana or Trello is good if you just a one-person business. So I would say have a project management tool, something like Canva, one of these, and pretty much that's it, or Adobe Rush. If you don't want to do video editing and don't want to get involved with it, I would highly recommend that you outsource it. Get somebody to create the videos for you, and you don't have all the hassle and the headache. So this is where I'm standing right now. Behind me is a wall which is a green screen, so you can see me as a cutout, and I've got the 3 monitors, so you'll often find me looking over there is because I'm looking at that monitor, or on my right, that's the other monitor as well. So here's my video marketing system where we create all these live streams from. Got the light at the top. I've got my camera over here. So I've got a DSLR camera which is plugged into the Mac. The quality of the DSLR for live streaming is, I would say, 1,000 times better than a webcam. You can see there's a little webcam. This is a Logitech over here as well, and also obviously the iMac has got a built-in webcam, but those ones are not very good, especially when you're trying to do green screen. You need the high resolution DSLR, or you can get something like a Lumix G100. I love it because I have it. I use it for my videos as well. So that is a mirrorless camera, so you can get. Then I've got my microphone, which is right over here, but it is outside the frame. If I bring this, and you can see just about there, so it's very close to my mouth, but I don't like the mics right in front of me in the shot, so I keep it off center, so it's away from the frame. So the mic comes forward. It's on a arm which you can pull forward, take it up or low, etc. Two LG 4K screens. This is important because you will need multiple displays. One, you will have your the streaming software which we use, which is called Wirecast, and I have that over here. But at that point when I shot this, taken this picture, I used to use OBS, which is a free app to live stream. But Wirecast is a little bit better, I would say, and a lot more user friendly. It's about $500 though, and it only works on the Mac, I believe. So here is the live streaming one. Over here is my YouTube studio, where I can see that everything is working fine. So I'll just switch over to my left and see if it is working or not. I've got a little MacBook Air. Sometimes I use it to read the comments, or I will bring up my iPhone and I'll just read the comments and the questions of the phone. And that's pretty much it. I do love my up and down table or the desk. So when I'm videoing or doing live stream, I'm standing up. So it comes up, and then I can take it down as well to do my normal day-to-day work. Having a desk like this, because I spend a lot of time on my desk, it just helps you, slouching all day long. You stand up and your back at least straightens up for a little while. And I would highly recommend, if you can stretch your budget, to get a desk like this, because it's worth every penny. So this is my whole system for the live stream. Okay, so now let's look at the type and the kind of ads which you can create using, or video ads, I should say. So the first one and the most popular ones are the in-stream skippable ads, which you can skip after 5 seconds. So you will find when you go to YouTube or other Google, other websites where Google can place their ads or video ads on it, you will see a video pop up before the main video, and you can skip it after 5 seconds. So this is what we call this in-stream skippable ad. So when it comes here, you can also have an accompanying banner on the right hand side. So if you are running in-stream ads, I would highly recommend that you put up the banner as well, because if someone does skip this ad, that banner stays there for quite a while until the next ad pops up. So you're getting pretty much free advertising and branding. And this is the type of video which we create. So I won't play the whole video. So this is for one of our clients there in Dubai. They've got a very nice car repair service garage, one of the biggest in Dubai and in the UAE, I guess. No, not guess. They are the biggest in the UAE. Okay, so these are what we call in skippable ads. So I can use this video and put this video in other people's video, and they can run or they can see this as a video ad, right? This is the horizontal 16:9 version. Then we have square ones as well, and this was created in, I believe, Biteable, or you can do this in InStream as well. So it's super simple, and the good thing about those apps is they have a huge amount of video footage. So all of these video, the footage which you can see of this lady in the background, I did not have to shoot or buy. It comes as part of that package. All this one, and also like these, somebody opening the door, we used it from there. And then the time lapse of this traffic, again, it was in there. So all you need to do is to put up the logo, the text, and obviously change the background and create these videos effortlessly. This is another one which we shoot.
Hello, my name is Abby. I'm the coffee shop supervisor and I've been at Harper's for 2 years. My job at Harper's is to make sure that the coffee shop runs efficiently, every customer has a great experience, and that we have a lovely welcome smile for them when they come in. I absolutely love my job at Harper's. We are a great team. The family are a lovely family to work for. The atmosphere is brilliant.
Okay, I'm not sure why just give me one moment. I think my screen is not coming up properly. Just try and fix this so you can see all the slides properly. I just realized this is not showing properly. Okay, I think now it should sort itself out, and you'll be able to see everything, all the whole slide. All right. It is, yeah, that's perfect now. All right. Sorry about that. The next one, video discovery ads. So when somebody goes to YouTube and searches for something, you will see these kind of ads which will have the thumbnail and then the headline, the little box which says the ad. It will also show the number of views, and it will take you direct to that video. So these are what we call the discovery ads. They're also really good to get discovered and to raise awareness, drive views, and obviously subscribers to your channel. These also run on Gmail, which look really, really good. And this is the kind of ads which will will show up. This is on the YouTube homepage, and the other one is the new Gmail. So this is how it's going to come up, these discovery ads. And on Gmail, it comes up like this. Then we have the outstream ads, and these appear on other third-party websites, apps, and Google Video Partners. But even if you just would do in-stream ads and discovery ads on YouTube, you have enough traffic. You can spend $20,000-$30,000 a day, and still you will not be able to buy all the traffic. There is so much traffic out there. These must ads are for bigger companies, and they are quite expensive as well. They run on the YouTube home feed, and you can only get these for a day or so. You can't carry on running it. I love these bumper ads because they are non-skippable, up to 6 seconds long. Great for brand awareness and branding. So all you need to do is you run these tens and tens and tens of thousands of times, and you will find that there is a brand lift for you or your client. This is the type of bumper ads which I'm talking about, which we have created for one of our clients. Run these tens and tens and tens of thousands of times, and you will find that there is a brand lift for you or your client. Oops. Okay, there shouldn't be an echo now. So that's the 6 seconds. So there's so many different types and kinds of ads. It's literally you can create content and video content, and you will never run out of ideas and content. Okay, now if you haven't put your questions, now's your time. I'm going to open up the YouTube app to see the questions, and if you did miss this one in the beginning of the session, this is the coaching program which I run, and the URL is on the screen. You can go and check it out, and we cover all these topics: ads, video ads, Google ads, analytics, tag manager, pretty much anything and everything to do with digital marketing. Okay, where are we? And please don't wait until the very last second to put your questions up, because there is a bit of a delay in the transmission. Okay, so first of all, thank you all for joining in here. Nick, hello from Greece. I've learned many things from your channel. Keep it up the great work. Thank you so much, Nick. Sandy, please give the deal for InVideo. If you go to the website, you will find it. I can't remember. I think it was about $67 or something like that, and you can sign up over there. How to create descriptions according to the platforms when we are repurposing the content. Okay, so you're talking about the keywords in the descriptions and the tags. So different channels or different platforms work differently. Instagram works on hashtags, so you will need to research the hashtags, and you can upload or up to 30 hashtags on a post. But if you do the same thing on Facebook, it's going to look so spammy, or on LinkedIn. So it's horses for courses. See what that platform wants and needs, and that's how you should follow. YouTube, you can put the keywords in the title, description, and the tags. So they all work differently, and you just need to go to the support center or the help center, read what they want, and just keep putting up the content. I'm not sure what you mean by what discussion will happen with your team during monitoring and editing for different platforms. You mean internally when we upload content? Yeah, we do keyword research, we do all the hashtag research, and we will use them and reuse them over and over again if that post or that video is about, let's say, Google Ads, or if it's about tag manager or analytics and so on. So we have a bank of keywords, tags, hashtags, and so on. And then we keep on using them over on different post when we do put a post. But each post is different. Each video is different. We are not you can't upload the same video again on YouTube. It will give you an error message that you are duplicating the video. It will not allow you to do that. And I would not recommend that you do that either. You got to create original content every time and new content. So this is why whenever I go on the live stream, we will have similar content. I'm sure I've done something like this 3-4 months ago, but now we are repurposing the content again, but I'm creating a new piece of content. I can't use the same video in the live stream anyway. So I'm creating the new one. I can rejig the slides and things like that. But if I need to repurpose a piece of content, I will still make sure that it's not the same and it has got a different angle or a different message on it. Okay, brilliant. Thank you, Sandy. Sean, I appreciate your feedback on your content. So there aren't any more questions, so we'll wrap things up. I'll be back again tomorrow, and tomorrow is Q&A. So keep your questions ready, and I'll try my best to answer them for you. So thank you so much for being here today, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow, same place and same time. Stay safe, and bye for now.